Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Audi R8 parts. First, identify the exact component you need, considering its function and location. Next, decide if an original equipment manufacturer, aftermarket, or used part best suits your requirements. Finally, factor in your budget and how quickly you need the part to arrive for your repair or upgrade. For guaranteed authenticity and quality, authorized Audi dealerships are your primary resource. They offer genuine parts designed specifically for your R8, ensuring a perfect fit and performance. Online, official Audi parts portals also provide extensive catalogs. Always use your vehicle identification number to confirm compatibility and avoid ordering incorrect components. Aftermarket parts can offer excellent value or performance upgrades. Look for well-known manufacturers with positive reviews. Specialty tuning shops often stock high-performance or unique R8 components not found elsewhere. Always compare prices across several retailers and carefully review any warranties offered, as these can vary significantly between brands and sellers. If budget is a key concern, used or salvage parts can be a cost-effective solution. Online marketplaces and forums often list pre-owned R8 components. Reputable automotive salvage yards specializing in luxury or performance vehicles are another excellent resource. Always inspect used parts very carefully for damage or wear before making a purchase to ensure they are still functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.